Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you Social Science Term 2, Unit 1, Ancient Excavation. Before we get into the lesson, first we should know about learning objectives. Students will be able to understand about excavation, know about archaeologists, and you should know some examples of excavations. Let us see about a conversation between Rekha and her grandma. Rekha, it is so hot today. I do not think that I can go out to play. Grandma, very true. But when I was young, I used to play outdoors all the time. Rekha, how did you play when it was hot? Grandma, when I was young, our neighborhood was full of trees and I used to play in the shade of the trees. Rekha, wow, really? I wonder how people lived in those days. Grandma, do you know there is a way to know and understand how people lived in those days? Rekha, how is that possible? Tell me more. Grandma, have you ever found a seashell while digging in the beach? Rekha, yes. Grandma, similarly, there are people who dig the earth at various places to find things that people used before. These people are called archaeologists. The process of digging the ground is called excavation. Now, let us know who is an archaeologist. A person who learns about human history through excavation. What is excavation? Digging the earth to find buildings and tools made long ago. Unearthed. Find something in the ground by digging. Now, let us learn more about excavations. Excavations is a controlled exploration of what lies under the surface of earth. All forms of archaeological excavation require great skills and careful preparation. Excavations can be classified based on the purpose like planned, accidental, or rescue. Most excavations are properly pre planned and their purpose is to find buried evidences from the site. Dear children, let us know the things that archaeologists find during excavations are called artifacts. Archaeologists can tell a lot about people who lived there by looking at their houses, clothes, bones, and other artifacts. What is artifacts? An object that is made by a person, that is known as artifacts. If you dig the ground near your house, what will you get? Some artifacts. Some interesting examples from the world. Pyramids in Egypt. When the pyramids were excavated, it was found that the small pyramids were made for the queens. They found huge tombs with superstructures which were built for the burial of the royal family. Royal family means the kings and queens belong to the royal family. Gave information about the average height and age of the people. Now we should know about the Indus Valley civilization. Indus civilization is also called Harappan civilization. This was the first site to be excavated in the early 20th century. Baked bricks were found underground. The city had a well planned, proper sanitation systems proper well and a way to direct wastewater to closed drains. There were advanced granaries, great bath, and protective walls. What walls? Protective walls. It was found that the city and its civilization were very advanced for their time. Let us think, children. How do archaeologists identify the places with artifacts in its? Some interesting examples from Tamil Nadu. There are many places in Tamil Nadu where excavations had happened and many interesting things were found. Thank you, children. Let us continue in the next class.